Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Nissan petrol old model, and today I will show you in this car where is the differential lock control module location. I checked with my diagnosis tool. I got full differential lock controller. I will show you where is the differential lock controller. See here, I removed passenger glow box. Okay, and then inside here you can see this music system and cover inside the differential control module. I will show you, can see this cover, and here inside this one, this is differential control module. Now I remove wire, see, because before differential light on in cluster, when I remove and then this off, that means this control unit have some problem. So this is the location for differential lock control module controller. Okay, thank you.